In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Trello board access. By the end, you'll know how to share a board with a link, control what people can do with that link, revoke access if needed, and invite specific people by email with the right permissions. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Sign in if you aren't already. From the Trello homepage, click on Boards to see everything you have access to. Choose the board you want to share and open it. I'm using a sample board, but the process is the same for any project you're working on. Before sharing, let's do a quick bit of housekeeping so your collaborators see the latest status. If you have a task that's finished, click into it to mark it complete, then grab that card and drag it over to your done list. Keeping things tidy helps new members understand what's in progress versus what's wrapped up. Now let's share the board. In the top area of the board, click Share. This opens Trello's sharing panel. If you want to generate a one-click invite that anyone can use, choose Create Link. Trello will make a unique share link for this board. Click Copy Link to put it on your clipboard, and you can paste it into chat, email, or wherever your team communicates. Before you send that link, it's smart to fine-tune permissions. Click Change Permissions. You'll see options like joining as a member or as an observer. Member access lets people add and edit cards, move work between lists, and participate fully. Observer access is read only. They can view the board, but can't change it. Toggle through the options to see what's available in your workspace, then pick what fits your scenario. For example, if you're collaborating closely, choose the setting that allows anyone with the link to join as a member. If you just need stakeholders to watch progress, switch it to Observer. Note that some permission types may depend on your plan. If you ever need to shut off that link, say it was shared too widely, come back to the same share panel and click Delete Link. Confirm by selecting Delete Share Link. This immediately disables the old URL so no one can use it to join. When you're done adjusting settings, click the X to close the panel. Next, let's invite someone directly by email, which is great for tighter control. Open the share panel again if it's not already open. In the invite field, type the person's email address. To the right, choose their role. If you want them to collaborate, set them as a member. If they only need visibility, switch to observer. You can toggle between these roles to confirm you're assigning the right level. When you're satisfied, click Share to send the invitation. They'll receive an email with access instructions. Close the panel with the X when you're finished. At any time, you can return to Share to manage links and invitations, review who has access, and adjust permissions if someone's responsibilities change. As a best practice, only use the share link for groups you trust, and prefer email invites for specific individuals who need ongoing access. If your project is sensitive, limit access to observers or disable the link once everyone has joined. Also, periodically review your board's members to make sure access matches current roles. That's it. You navigated to your board, cleaned up a task, opened the share panel, created and copied a link, set the correct permissions, revoked the link when necessary, and invited people by email with the right roles. With these steps, you can collaborate confidently while keeping your workspace secure and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.